All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Jeff from Key Collectibles. So we got some optic contenders, or contender optics, whatever you want to call them. We got a case. There's a case. There's 20 of them that are in there. I got 4. We're going to do 5 videos of 4 just to make it speedy so people don't got to watch the whole video. It takes too much time. There's 6 cards in a box. So you're supposed to get 2 autographs on average. So let's see what there is in there. I've seen some people open already. Cool little box. These things are around $300 a box on the day they come out. I've noticed if you don't buy them when you get them pre-sale, you pay more money for them. So, all right, make sure there's not 2 cards there. A little bit thicker. There's a backwards card. Roman Wilson, auto. Second auto. Here's a number card, 37 to 75. It's a nice thick one. Turner. X's and O's. I mean, not too bad. I wasn't expecting the thick cards. Or thicker cards, I should say. So, second box. Pack's much lighter, so it's not going to have any too much of those fatter cards in it. Hurts. Brandon Rice. It's a red card. So it's numbered to 199. 199. First auto, Mitchell. This is another numbered card. X's and O's. So there's box 2. Box 3. Like I said, we'll do 5 videos of the 20 boxes. There's 20 boxes in a case. I just didn't want to have a whole bunch of videos. Or I could just grab them and pull them. Either way, I guess it doesn't really matter. You're going to sit down and watch the whole thing and click on it. Catch 22. Jalen Wright, Chrome. There's a second card back there. Second card back there. I can't get it apart. There it goes. Could not get it apart there. Ricky Parcell. Chrome. That's a good card. Like that card. We got here Ray Davis on the auto. Ford on the auto. And X's and O's. Put that one over there. Okay, 4th box. Nothing really good, so I was looking for something like a Williams or Bo sign autograph of Parcell, but so we got okay. TJ Watts. A little bit thicker cards. Mike Evans, green. It's going to be a numbered card. Yep, numbered to 49. Auto. Jackson auto. Green. That's refracting. It's kind of cool. And then Ricky Parcell. That might even be a number card, is it? No. But that's different than the other X's and O's. They're orange. This one's silver. Alright, so there's 4 boxes down. Gotta have to grab a couple more. We're just gonna open them. So These are nice looking cards. A lot of people say they don't care for them. I personally like the way they look. Right, Brooks. Get my glove out of the way. Wagner. Cousins. Alright, so there's a oh, that one's a super refractor. Look at that one. See it? That one's got like cracked ice or something on it. Is it numbered? It is numbered. Numbered to 22. Okay. And then this one is a redeemable card for rookie ticket autograph of Michael Phoenix Jr. That's a nice card. We'll take that. Look at this card right here. Boom. There's a one-on-one. Legends. Oh, you can't see it. It's a one-on-one. So, never seem to be ready for putting penny sleeves on. I do them after, so nobody's got to watch me do penny sleeves because they take time to get them in there. So I do them on camera, unless we got a real nice hit. That's why I wear gloves, and then I just put them down on a mat, and then I pick them up and put them in penny sleeves and top loaders or whatever we're going to put them in. Okay. Nice chrome one there. Okay. Young, red. That's going to be numbered to 199. To 199. And then here's our first auto in that pack. Oh, man, that cards look real nice. Silver. And then Patrick Mahomes, X's and O's. Not bad. So far, we're not doing so bad. We got 20 boxes at $300, so $6,000 case, roughly. We get that one-on-one's going to be worth something. It'll be worth $6 grand, but it'll be worth some kind of money. All right. Brock Bowers, Herbert, Moore, red. That's got to be a numbers card. Yep, to 199. Jason Williams, Johnny Wilson, auto. Hicks, auto. And then we got this first class Garnet. It's kind of a cool. It's the first one we've seen of that. It's kind of cool. It's different. Chrome refractor. So we're on what, 8? Box 8. So there'll be a total of 60 cards, maybe? 80 cards, 120. These optic ones look way better than just the regular contenders. Allen, C.J. Stroud, not autoed, but that's a good card. Here you go. Here's going to be a numbered. Jason Love, that's a green refractor. That's kind of cool. Roman Wilson's going to be your first auto. Dylan Johnson. And then here's a gold. Boom. Right there. Lottery ticket. It's going to be a second one-on-one in that case. So, it's going to be worth something. Too bad it wasn't like a Caleb Williams one-on-one. We're from Chicago, so, you know, we're big Bears fans. So it's about time the Bears got a real quarterback that we could be proud of. It'd be nice to have some memorabilia. you know, that goes along with it. So each to their own. Never seem to get the cards you want. You get the cards you don't want. Spencer Rattler. See what he does this year. Richardson. It's another Garrett that's going to be numbered 49. Auto. It's not a bad card. Pulling some money. It's a 75 auto. And then J.J. McCarthy on the X's and O's. 2 1-1s in the box. Okay. How many more boxes we got? Seems like it doesn't seem to stop. Seems like they just keep coming and coming and coming and coming. And coming. Okay. Now we'll sell all these cards. Some of them will go out to get graded, so they won't see them for a while. It'll be like Christmas time. Every time they come back, we use PSA. Rice. Josh Allen. My number card. Jalen Hurts in the blue. Bucky Irving. I'll take it. Auto. Right there. Is it numbered? No, but it's a nice card there. I'll put that one on the keyboard. Knox. Garrett on the X's and O's card. Okay. Bucky Irving. Not hot yet. Hopefully he does a lot more this season. Smith. Robinson. Rice Super Refractor. Rookie of the Year. Another Bucky Irving. It's a pretty card too. Another Bucky Irving card. Rookie of the Year. Auto. Trice Jr. And a refractor. And an old school Joe Montana. That's nice too. I like Joe Montana. Back in my day. That's what we watched. 2 Bucky Irvings. Autos. The Rookie of the Year. That look cool. Got a Bucky Irving out of the Impeccables. I didn't grade it. I'm going to send them to get graded. They still have it. Make a Bucky Irving platform. Ricky Parcell. On the base. Chrome. Marshawn. Chrome. Bucky Irving in the blue parallel to 99. What is with all the Bucky Irving cards? Mitchell. Definitely a Bucky Irving box case. Small. And Herbert. Alright, let's see. More Bucky Irving stuff. Make a Bucky Irving lot. McCaffrey, Wilson, Shipley, Travis, is it unnumbered? It's just gold, like a super refractor, and a 101 too? It is not a 101. But J.J. McCarthy, lottery. Alright, so now we need a Caleb Williams. And a Bo Nix. And Odunze. Maybe a Daniels. They're printing too many Daniels cards, so they were values in the drop. But we'll take a Daniels. Let's go. Come on. No more Bucky Irving. Let's go. Downers. Franklin. Kamara. Xavier, we already got one of his. Feel right. Bell and Chase. And this one's numbered to 10. That one's numbered to 10. So Chase numbered to 50. So it gives you a little bit of Contenders. I got all these boxes all over the place. I really like these. Come on, Caleb Williams. Right. Rocket. Xavier Worthy, red, which is the 149. Run out of places to put these cards. Milton the third. That's not going to be a bad auto, right? Boom. Put that one over here, and then Bradley, and then Caleb Williams on the X's and O's. Not an auto. I mean, we'll take it, but give me the auto. Where's the autos? Give me all these autos. They got to be worth something. You can't give me autos that ain't worth nothing, right? That don't do me any good. I don't want a whole bunch of auto cards that are worth nothing. Put that in plastic right away. Let's see what Caleb does. Looks like the Bears are shaping up to be a really good team. So maybe we'll get the Super Bowl in the next couple of years. All right. Okay. Here we go. Brock Bowers. Herbert. I think we've seen one of those already. Harris. That's a blue card, so that's going to be numbered to 99. Number to 99. Oh, that's a new one. I like that. That's a good card. You're going to get some money for that. See that? Cohen, Marvin Harrison Jr. winning ticket. It's a good card too. Does not number it doesn't look like. But it's a cool parallel. I like that parallel. Alright. I think we got 4 boxes left. And then we're going to be on Select Basketball as our next break for inventory, because we were running low on inventory. So we decided to add some basketball. We don't have much. Oh. There. Sutton. Kamar. Travis Kaylee on a red. This is going to be the 200. And then McConkey to 75 on an auto. It's not too bad. Auto. And then we got a Bailey. And then another McConkey on X's and O's. Okay. Down to 2 boxes. Two boxes. Robinson. Curly. Blue. Spencer Rattler to blue. 99. 99. Ricky Parcell. Bring it home. Masoon. Nabers. In the lottery. Seen this one. I don't think it's numbered, but we'll double check. No, not numbered. Parcell. Auto. Okay, 2 more boxes to go. What's the chances of us getting Caleb Williams autograph card. Parcells is good, but nowhere like they're only going for $50. It beats most cards, but second to the last box. We did good. We get 2 1-on-1s, so I'm not gonna complain. Chase, Mayfield, Turner, Chrome, Franklin on the auto. And boom. Ben and Garrett on the parallel. Okay, last box. Last box. This is one full case of 2020 of 20 boxes of 2024 Contender Optics. So they're thicker cards and they're shinier than the regular Optics. The other Optics were very Brooks, Wagner, Franklin's rookie card, Odunze for the auto. That's awesome. Right in the last box. Man, that's fucking awesome. And then the white and McCombs again on the parallel. So that's what we got. I mean, we got some good stuff. We got Radler, we got 1 of 10s, we got some Bucky Irving signatures and second cards. We picked up, printing plate, 1 of 1, printing plate, and we also picked up the Corley lottery, 1 of 1. So it's 2 1-of-1s in the box. Xavier Worthy's. We got some Ricky Parcells, McConkey, and we got a lot of pretty good stuff in that case. So we'll have to break it apart and see if it's value, and we'll post it, what it is. What are all these cards we're going to ask prices on, and what are we going to get at the end of the day? So we'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay tuned for the Select. It's going to be the next one we break. Select Basketball 2024. Have a good evening.